Guys, if you see, the store is already crowded out here. Hi guys, so this is a bike craft for Royal Enfield genuine accessories. This is located in Koti, Ram Koti, which is in Hyderabad. These guys are giving us the MRP tax as well. They are going to give you genuine, you don't have to bargain. Whatever discount it is available, you can get it, okay? You can come here for all the genuine accessories and they will give you a lot of discounts. It is genuine accessories with genuine bill, okay? So don't worry, you don't have to worry about it. We will get inside and we will see, okay? We will see what all the accessories they have. Hi guys, right now we are inside the store. This is called a bike craft. If you see, it has got lot of original Royal Enfield accessories. It is pure original. There is nothing to worry about. It is full of Royal Enfield accessories. It's all boxed with Royal Enfield. We usually purchase a lot of Royal Enfield accessories from here. When I was having Interceptor 650, I used to come here to purchase. This person, his name is Sufyan. He is actually out. He sells everything around 20% discount. He gives a lot of 20% discount. So don't worry, you can come here. Let's see what is there in the store, okay? You see, out of Royal Enfield store, you will not get this box. First thing is, this is so impressive. This is a Himalayan box. You will not get it outside. This is the jerry can. You have different types of helmets here. You have alloy wheels here. A Royal Enfield bag, top box. We also sell a lot of tanks here. See, this is all genuine Royal Enfield classic battery cover. This is original Royal Enfield tanks. Everything is under discount. You will get a lot of discounts here. This is Continental GTC and it will also fit for Interceptor 650. It's all genuine accessories. You can also get modified tanks. See, you get a lot of modified tanks like this. Royal Enfield liquid engine oil gun. This is all Tim Sum tires. This is Tim Sum tires. If you wanted to get a review of Tim Sum tires, have a look at it. These guys are genuine distributors for Tim Sum tires here in Hyderabad, okay? You get broad tire, 130, 100. This is for Interceptor 650. Moto Royal Enfield genuine engine oils, chain lube, chain cleaners, spray paint, Moto Max, chain lube spray. This is all genuine accessories. Exhaust, you get a lot of exhaust here. Wow, you get a Meteor tank here. This is a Thunderbird tank. Handlebars, okay? You also have alloy wheels. After this, we will look into the price. This shop is located in Koti. Give you the directions in the description. This is in Ram Koti, okay? So now we will speak with the shop person. Wow, these guys have this brass item. Everything, you name it, you get everything is available here, okay? You name anything, you will get it. This is the modified bike which they have done. This is a bobber style. This is actually classic 350. He has done some modification here. They have done in a bobber style. If you look at the headlights, the wheel size 190. Some of you may like it, some of you may not like it, but just have a look at this bike. It's totally awesome. Bike Craft Customs 2021. It's a classic 350. This is original exhaust and they have done some modification here. Wow, it looks great, right? This is kind of neat. There is no complications here, so it is a simple speedometer, disc brake fluid. It is nothing changed. It is all simple, so nothing so complicated or delicate item here. It's all simple here, okay? You see the number plate. This is what I like. If you guys want to know about this bike modification, you let me know in the comments. Bike is for sale. Final price of this bike is 1,80,000. If you wanted to get it, you can come to Hyderabad, Ram Koti, that is King Koti. This is the name, Bikecraft Customs. Okay, you can come here. I'll give you the directions. You can come and you can get it. Okay guys, now we will speak to the shop guy. Let's ask him what it is. Hello brother, what are the accessories you have, brother?
All bullet kinds of accessories and customs items, all variety of available.
Only
genuine
original accessories you have it, okay? How much discount you will give?
15%,
20%,
30%.
30%. It depends upon the product. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in case if someone comes with my code,
Yeah.
will you be able to give some 40% discount?
Yeah, I will give.
Okay. So guys, note it down. In case you come here to King Koti and let them know that you're coming after watching my Gemini Industries program, you can tell them, they will give you a good discount, okay, for whatever the products. I certify that these guys are selling only genuine Royal Enfield accessories, so don't worry about it. It's going to be really original accessories. So if you wanted to come here, you can come here and you can get it, okay? You can get a 40 or a 50% discount. It depends upon the product, they say. So you can come here, okay? So now you tell me, brother, like what is the cost of that Himalayan side box? So if you look at it, guys, this is a original Royal Enfield Himalayan top box, okay? This is a original Himalayan top box. What is the cost of this, brother?
23,000.
So brother, actually in the store it is the same price, 23,000.
Discount I will give.
You will give discount, okay? Definitely, I am sure you will get a solid discount, okay? Maybe 1k or 2k, I'm not sure about it, but definitely if you wanted to buy it, you come here, definitely you will get a discount out here, okay? This is a genuine Royal Enfield accessories, and for Himalayan they also have the box as well as the side saddle stay, in which you wanted to mount this, okay? So side rack for mounting this, that also they have. That would cost around kitna, brother?
Around 1600 change.
1000. That is just 1600. They are giving it just for 1600. They will open the box in front of you. They will open the Royal Enfield box like this. You don't have to worry. So everything comes in a Royal Enfield sealed box. Sometimes people will worry, like after purchasing this, if there is a water going inside or something, don't worry. They will give you a genuine bill and it will come under warranty, Royal Enfield warranty, okay? So if you want any other color also, you don't have to worry about it. You just have to let them know that they will give you whatever color you wish, okay? So it is going to be genuine accessories you get. So next is we will see like jerry can. You will also get a jerry can here. This is a jerry can, long haul jerry can. This is also for Himalayan, okay? So ye kitna, brother?
2500.
Okay, so this box is 23, what you said is for pack, two boxes, two boxes you get for 23, and this is how much?
2500.
2500. This is 2500. You will get a clamp. Everything is within that original Royal Enfield genuine helmet. How much is this, brother? Okay, so this is 3700. MRP is 3700. That is what they are saying. But definitely when you come here, you can get a good discount. This is 4000. You get it for GT650. Okay, this is also a genuine accessory from Royal Enfield. Now we will look at the alloys. Okay, so how much is this alloy? See, this is 6500. This is for which bike? Classic single disc, Thunderbird single disc, and double disc. Okay, these are suitable for all the bikes. So all this will suit for Classic 350 and Thunderbird double disc and single disc.
Yeah.
Okay, all this correct? All are 6500.
Yeah.
And you will get a discount, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See guys, 6500. This is 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 6500. Okay. This is for Interceptor 650. How much is this pair? Pair 10,000. Okay. So guys, now we have completed alloy wheels. Guys, they have a lot of alloy wheels here, but I will not be able to show this video. But let me try to cover a few things here. Okay. Have a look at it. But they have everything. You name it, you will get it. I'm really sorry. You will have to come down here to purchase things. Brother, now you tell me like what is the price for this modified tanks? Okay. This is for which bike?
All custom bikes.
Custom bikes, okay. Okay, how much does it cost?
9,000 change.
Okay, it can be modified for all the bikes, huh?
All bikes.
Okay, mudguard. Classic engine, genuine accessory. It is costing you around 15,000. How much is this tank?
3,800.
This is 3,800. This one how much, brother?
This one 4,000.
4,000. So seats are there, modified seats are there. So handlebar starts from how much, brother? So 350 to 1,500 for all the bikes you have, Royal Enfield bikes. So you get Interceptor 650 handlebars. How much is this?
2,500.
Hey, wow, it looks nice. It's a original one, right?
Yeah, genuine.
Genuine original Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 black color. You will never be able to see the Royal Enfield store. 2-piece handlebar, all custom bike, 850 rupees. See, this is adjustable side mirror. This cost you around 4,000, and he is telling you the MRP. You will get a discount. Okay, don't worry. You will definitely get a discount here. So don't worry. You will definitely get a discount here. So you can come here. Only after you come down here, you will be able to get the actual price. This will cost around 3,500. This is for which bike, brother? Interceptor 650. Okay, so this is Gator. So this is Gators for Interceptor 650. This MRP is 800, 850. I would advise you to come here. Okay, guys, it is not even available in store now. If you readily wanted to purchase, definitely you should come here. Okay, disc brake reservoir thing. It is 675, but you are getting a discount out here, and you also get a lot of aftermarket things. Brother, key change how much, from how much? 160 to maximum 200. So definitely you can come down here to get a good discounted Royal Enfield original genuine keychains. Okay, so these are the headlights. You also have a lot of custom indicators, master cylinder guard. Okay, this is 700. But I'll tell you guys, you will definitely not get this kind of accessories out there in Royal Enfield store itself, because right now it is not available. And if you just walk into Ramkoti in Hyderabad, you will get all these things for a decent price. Okay, for a decent price. I'm telling you, with the bill you will get a discounted, warranted, everything is there, guarantee, warranty, everything, whatever the showroom is giving, you will get the same thing here, and with a discounted price. But in Royal Enfield you will never get a discount out there. Okay, you also have a lot of genuine Royal Enfield cables. Now we will come to exhaust. You also get a lot of aftermarket exhaust and genuine Royal Enfield exhaust here. I have seen like people run around for exhaust, so you don't have to worry. Here you will get a lot of original exhaust as well as aftermarket exhaust. So you tell me, brother, what are the exhausts available to you? All kinds of the exhausts are available. Brand original Royal Enfield exhaust available. What is the aftermarket exhaust you have, brother? Okay, you have a barrel exhaust. Okay,
Red Rooster.
okay,
Genuine items.
okay, Red Rooster and genuine items. And other in case if you wanted something, if you order it, they will definitely give it to you. Okay,
Yeah.
this is a Red Rooster exhaust for Himalayan. This is costing 9,000. This is a Red Rooster written here. I'm not able to show you the exhaust sound. I'm really sorry because I don't have the bike now. This is a silencer rack. With the installation, it is 250. You also get a lot of phone mount, fog lamps, you name it, guys, you name it, everything you will get it here. Okay, so now we will see the cross guards. Okay, these are the cross guards available for classic 350 2500. This is how it looks. Hi brother, how do you know about this shop?
Hyderabad is a famous shop. Ranigan is everything is available in this.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how you have been purchasing a lot of things for
Yeah, I have been
your
purchasing
what is your bike? What bike you have?
My bike is Royal Enfield, classic 350cc.
Classic 350cc.
I have changed 3 bikes. Now I am using BS6 model.
Okay. So what is it you have come here to purchase?
I have come for purchase of the safety things from this.
Okay, cross guard and
The cups of the lights.
okay. So do you think everything is good here?
Yeah, everything is good. I am available. I am getting everything here.
Yeah, you get a lot of discounts as well. Okay,
Even discount is there, giving a very good
a
price.
very good discount. So okay, do you suggest? Would you recommend
Yeah, I
this
would
shop
recommend
here?
everyone to come this shop. Everything is available in this shop for Royal Enfield.
What? How much rating would you give for this shop?
4.5.
4.5. Good, thank you. Your name, brother?
Hi Kirtan.
Okay, thank you so much. Actually, guys, we have come to an end. The store is already crowded, and I don't think I'll be able to spend much more time here. here. So definitely you come down to this shop, you will get a lot of accessories and discounts out here in Hyderabad. Okay, letter Gemini Industries YouTube channel name, definitely you will get a lot of discount. I hope you will get 40% discount. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share if you like this video. Okay, I hope I have helped you with buying some accessories for your Royal Enfield. And this is not a paid promotion. This is not he's not going to pay me. This is like out of interest I have done this, because like I was having an Interceptor 650 which I sold it, and I wanted to buy an Himalayan bike. Like I have already ordered one, so I came here to look around for it. So luckily this was my friend's store, so then I decided to do a vlog on this. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, bye. I think I'll have to leave now. You also get a good parking opposite to that store. Okay.